So the protein treatment is dry now. You can tell, look, see how crusty it is. Because it was dripping. Ugh. And my hair is like super hard and stuff. So I'm gonna go rinse this out. I'm gonna rinse it in the kitchen and put conditioner in, and I'll come back and get in the shower because I got water like all over the floor. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that in the kitchen now. All right, I'll be back. Okay guys, I have washed my hair out. Wash the conditioner out, and now I am about to braid it and kind of let it air dry. Okay, hey guys, I am back and I'm going to flat iron my hair. So unintentionally, it's been 2 or 3 days since I braided my hair, and I guess it ended up air drying. The weather's been bad, and I kind of felt like I didn't want to straighten my hair only for the frizz because it was raining and stuff outside. So we'll see how it goes, because I'm basically going to have to be flat ironing from this crinkled state, which I've never done before. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna add the Kenra Thermal Styling Spray. You're supposed to put it on dry hair. This will be the only thing that I add. Ah, no, we're not. So I have the Titanium Fabulous Pro flat iron that I'm using. I have it set to 340. I do the chase method where you put the comb through flat iron and bring it down so that the comb kind of guides the hair in the right direction as the flat iron kind of keeps it there. But you can see. And the only thing I would say about this bob cut is that it kind of grows out quick. Maybe because I be trying to enjoy it like while it's short. And by the time and then since I'm not flat ironing, and every time I do my hair, I don't get to see it all the time. So then when I do see it, I'm like, oh, it's like back touching my shoulders and stuff again. Pretty darn good. Pretty darn good. Let me show y'all something. So this is a problem I have. I don't know what's going on that my ends do this funky funny thing. Ever since I had my bob cut, I don't know what, it's not like they're not split when you actually look at them, but they do something weird. And I don't know why that's happening. It's never happened in my life. And I've had my hair cut 2 times to try and get that off, and it's like only at the bottom each time. I don't know what that's about. That's why I did this protein treatment to try, because I'm like, maybe that's what it needs. It's like, give me protein. See what I'm talking about the hair growing to where it's like back on my shoulders. Like when I first got it, I feel like it was up in here, at least so I thought. So the key thing when flat ironing the hair, I feel like it's to already have your hair section, and I have 4 sections that I'm working with, so it's just easier to take, easier to flat iron and navigate through the hair. 2, when you're making your parts, you want to make sure they're really small sections that you're flat ironing. Don't try and do a big chunk at a time when you're trying to initially get it straight. And then 3, again, make sure you use the comb to guide the flat iron down the hair so that it can like stay straight and not just be smushing it, but a zigzag all in between. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna finish all of this and then come to the front. So see ya. Okay, so I have straightened my hair. To me, it's a little bit poofy, more poofier than what I want, and I feel like my ends need to be trimmed. I didn't go through with like a ceramic flat iron yet, because I want to take these shears and kind of get some of these like funky ends. Let's see. Yeah, I want to get like all of that kind of crappiness off. Alright, now that I'm all trimmed up, I'm going through with a ceramic flat iron. And I am going to be taking bigger sections to do this because it's already straightened, really. So it's definitely coming out a lot better than what I was thinking. Like, I'm looking at it before and I'm like, this hair is not going to get like straight. It's poofy, but girl, we getting somewhere. Alright, you guys, like, wow. Alright, let's get the front. In fact, I'm gonna do that because I want to have room on my SD card to like show the final look. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. And I'm just showing the difference between passing the ceramic, which is this side, and I put a little bump in that little bang that I cut or whatever, versus in chrome. This was just with the titanium. So you see, this is a lot more poofy, frizzy, even though I did go in and trim. I feel like I could trim a little bit more, which I'll do, but just showing the difference. And this is why I went in and did that second step of passing the ceramic. And you know, I would like to try and see the ceramic first. I just know a lot of hairstylists, like when I went to go get a silk press, they would do a titanium, then come back with a ceramic. So I just wanted to know. But anyway, I'm back. All right, guys. This is the finished bob, and I am in love. Not love, love. I am super excited. I'm excited about these little bangs that I cut kind of in there because it was looking a little scraggly. So I'm super excited. I feel like even though my bob has grown out, I feel like it was like up here before, it's still cute. So give it to him from the back. Give it to him from the back. And then I'm like, oh, look, ow, ow, okay. So thank you all so much for watching. This is the hair that is in my makeup room makeover. So I promised that I would make sure I had a video connecting the two. So here it is. So that's how the hair was able to be straightened and whatnot. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't seen my makeup glam room makeover, oh my gosh, you have to see the video. Like, I am so excited about how it came out. Like, you guys, I have determined I love to decorate everything from faces to hair to rooms. So it's just something that makes me excited. So again, if you have not seen that, definitely check it out.